This is an image of our model, and this is an image of the outfit. Now let's dress our model in this outfit. And here is the video of our model wearing the outfit. The model is the same, but this time it's a new outfit. Again, it's the same model, but with a different outfit. And here's the third outfit. Hello friends, welcome once again. Today, we're going to talk about how you can generate stunning ad shoot videos for your clothing brand. Whether it's for miniskirt, tops, t-shirts, jeans, pants, or any kind of men's or women's wear, you can now create professional clothing brand ad videos in just a few clicks. Now, to create a clothing brand ad video, you no longer need to hire models, no need for videography, and no need to spend money building or renting a studio. That's right. You can now create high-quality clothing ad videos right from your home. All you need is a phone, a laptop or computer, and a working internet connection. After watching today's video, you'll be able to make ad videos for your clients' clothing brands and start earning a solid income. So friends, if you also want to create clothing brand ad videos and start making money, then today's video is going to be very special for you. That's why make sure to watch it till the end and don't forget to like the video. So let's begin. To make an ad video, first we need an image of our model. For this, we'll head over to our browser. Once on the browser, search for a model image. If you want to create an ad with a female model, type something like female model wearing tops in the search bar. If you want a male model, just type male model. Let's say we want to use a female model for now. So we'll search female model in camise. Then click on the images tab. You can also search female model in sari, jeans, pants, or whatever outfit you want. Just adjust your search accordingly. Once you find an image you like, download it. Now, open ChatGPT. If you already work on social media, you probably know about ChatGPT. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one yet. Then click on the attach icon and upload the model image you downloaded earlier. Now give this command, give me detail of this image, and run it. ChatGPT will now give you a full description of the image. Now generate prompt for this description. Give command, make it prompt. ChatGPT will now give you prompt for the AI image generation, copy it. To generate an image of the model with your selected outfit, we'll use Piclumen. Just log in with your Google account, you can generate unlimited free image with Piclumen. Once you logged in, go to Launch App. Now paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT into the box, select Fluxschnell, and click this button. Within few seconds, Piclumen will give you a generated images. If you're not satisfied with the first batch, you can regenerate them until you find the perfect one. Download the one you like best. Now we need an image of the outfit we want the model to wear. Head back to the browser and search for the kind of outfit you want to apply on your model. For example, search modern gown if you want her to wear a gown. Again, go to the images section and choose your outfit. You can search for sherries, t-shirts, shirts, or anything else depending on your ad. Download the image of the outfit you want. Now comes the fun part, putting the outfit on your model. For this, we'll use Kling AI. Go to the Kling AI website and create an account. Once you're logged in, click on AI Images, then go to AI Virtual Try-On, and then select AI Outfit. Click Upload and first upload the model's image. Scroll down and now upload the garment image, the outfit you downloaded. You'll see two options. Single garment, if you want to upload one full outfit like a camise or gown. Multiple garments, if you want to upload both a top and a bottom separately, like a shirt and jeans. Right now we're using a single garment, a gown, so select that and upload the gown image. Now scroll down and click Generate. It will take a few seconds to process, and then you'll get two images of your model wearing the outfit. Check out how perfectly the gown fits the model. Now that you've got the image of your model wearing the outfit, let's convert it into a video. Click on the image you want to turn into a video. Then select the option Bring to Life. You'll see that Kling AI automatically fills in the prompt below. You can modify it if you like. Click on Generate and your model image will now start converting into a video. This might take a bit of time, so be patient. Once it's ready, play the video. You'll see how beautifully the AI has animated your model wearing the outfit. If you want your model in different poses, just modify the prompt accordingly, and the video will be generated in that pose. Click download, and your clothing brand ad shoot video is ready. So friends, by following these simple steps, you can create professional branded clothing ad videos without hiring any model, without a studio setup, and without any videographer. So don't wait. Start your own ad video agency today and begin earning by making branded clothing videos for clients. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any future updates. And yes, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments and we'll definitely reply. That's it for now. See you in the next video with another amazing tool and tutorial.